Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit neon effect filter using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to light. Bring the exposure plus 0.95x. Bring the contrast minus 96. Shadows minus 9. Whites plus 66. Blacks minus 48. After that go to color. Bring the temp plus 19. Bring the vibrance plus 50. Go to color mix. First go to red color. And bring the saturation plus 25. Luminance plus 100. Next go to orange. Bring the saturation plus 25, luminance plus 100. Next go to green. Bring the hue plus 100, saturation plus 100, luminance plus 100. Go to blue. Bring the hue minus 42. Next go to pink. Bring the luminance plus 100. And done. Now go to details. Sharpening plus 10. Noise reduction plus 24. Color noise reduction minus 25. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.